What is going on YouTube? So you clicked on this video because you want to know how to get a free Apple Music subscription in 2024. That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be showing you a 12-month promo code. So this is going to give you a 12-month subscription for Apple Music for completely free, and you just apply this code on the Apple Music website or within the app, and yeah, it's going to give you the subscription. So let's get into it. It takes about 5 minutes. Just follow all of these instructions I'm going to show you today. Use your mobile phone for this, and let's get into it, guys. Okay guys, so let's get into the tutorial and show you how you can get your free Apple Music. It's pretty easy, just follow these instructions. You've got to open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to www.topdogcodes.com. .com, guys, make sure you spell it correctly, Top Dog Codes. Now when you reach this website, because there's loads of different pages, you're going to need to navigate your way to the Apple Music page. So go to the search bar. I'm just going to type in Apple, and this is going to pop up Apple Music and iTunes codes. So this page here, guys, let's go to that page and scroll down. Now, in this video, we're focusing on the free 12-month Apple Music subscription. So this is a promo code, and you can redeem it, and it's going to give you a free subscription to Apple Music. You can also get a $100 iTunes gift card if you wish. So you click on show coupon, and you can see this is a 12-month free Apple Music, and you need to unlock your code. So this code is protected basically to stop people from taking all of the available codes. So you need to unlock your personal code. Now I'm not going to do it fully, I've already done this, so I'm going to save the codes for you. But you need to tap unlock code, and when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes to unlock your Apple Music code. You just need to verify yourself as a real person, and then it will reveal your code. And once you have that, you can then go ahead and redeem it in the Apple Music website or in the app, and yeah, it's going to give you a 12-month subscription. So you've got to go to topdogcodes.com, guys. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Peace out.